I know that some of you guys have been experiencing this error, so I have to share the solution. You probably already saw the title, so you kind of know why we are going to. So the error is when you're building or downloading or running a new container, it shows up OCI runtime error crun unknown version specified. You see, especially applicable to Red Hat 9 systems. So and then when you try to run a new container, you get the OCI runtime error, crun unknown version specified. So the solution is pretty simple. You don't have to get in panic mode. You just need to get yourself some root access and as root update crun. Okay, so if you are running especially on a version of RHEL or Rocky that it's version 9 or around version 9, and you get this error when you're running a container, OCR runtime error, crun unknown version specified. The only thing you have to do to fix this is to install crun, install an update. If you want to get all the latest and the greatest, just do a DNF update and you update all the stuff locally. Then install crun with the new update package, update version. You should get the update. After that, you will manage to run your container as normal, and you should be good to go. Really simple one, but this is going to help someone out there. I'm pretty sure of that. Like, subscribe, and comment. It all helps, and I'll see you in the next one.